Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you are very well. Okay, children. Last previous class, I have introduced food for health. Food for health topics, part 1, part 2. Part 1, I have introduced food components of food, carbohydrates, proteins. And part 2 introduced fats, vitamins and minerals. Fats, minerals and vitamins. Fats, minerals and vitamins. Okay, children. Fats is in our body. It's a fuel of energy. It contains more energy in our body. Children, fats contain more energy than compared the carbohydrates. And give some examples of fats, oil food, butter, ghee. These are all oil food. Examples of oil food. For example, 1 gram fat includes 9 calories. At the same amount of 1 gram carbohydrates include 4 calories. So, fats are twice of the carbohydrates, more energy than twice of the carbohydrates. It is a fuel of energy. And then I have recalled the fats, groundnut seeds, a small test for you, groundnut seeds, paper turns to transparent, paper turns to oily. We have observed the groundnut seeds contain fats. Okay, children. Now, next to minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins, these are all less quantity in our food. These are called micronutrients. These micronutrients essential in our less quantity in our body. Minerals to protect our protective nutrients and good for health and maintenance of the body health. Okay, children, give some examples of some minerals. Elements of minerals: calcium, ferrous, iodine, and sodium and phosphorus. These are all elements of the minerals. Okay, children, once recall, iron consists of some food items. Once recall, and iodine, seafoods and salt. Iodine deficiency causing anemia. And calcium, the importance of the calcium element, protection of bones and teeth, and sodium, metabolic activities, and phosphorus also metabolic activities in our body. These are all minerals. Okay, children, and as to vitamins. Vitamins have micronutrients in less quantity in our body. It is essential for food like fruits, vegetables, leaf curries, sports, nuts, and milk, meat, fish. These are all sources of vitamins available in our diet. So, vitamins are divided into 2 types: fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and water soluble vitamins B, C. Okay, children? B, C. These are all the types of vitamins. Children, you have introduced the A, D, E, K, and B complex vitamin, and in the higher classes I have introduced. And next, we call the C vitamin. C vitamin in citric acid. It is the essential sources of all citrus fruits like orange, lemon. These are all citrus fruits including in C vitamin. C vitamin have importance of immunity resistance power. Immunity resistance power. COVID-19 patients must and should take C vitamin tablets or C vitamin sources of available in citrus fruits. C vitamin disease resistance power in COVID-19 virus. COVID-19 virus. Okay children, and we have a small test for you. C vitamin. These food items include presence of C vitamin or not. If the substance is C vitamin is present, the paper turns to white color. More turns to white color, more quantity of C vitamin. Test for a small test for you. Last previous class paper, lemon slice, iodine, piece of paper and few drops of iodine solution and slice a slice of lemon. Observe 15 minutes. What have you observed? Paper turns to white color. That's why this for lemon contains C vitamin. Less white color, less quantity of C vitamin is available in citrus fruits or lemon. Okay children, previous class introduced as vitamins, minerals. Okay children, next let us do some another class. Okay children, today we have discussed the topic dietary fibers. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers. Okay children, today we have introduced dietary fibers. Dietary fibers. Deepak cut a sweet potato. Deepak cut a boiled sweet potato in it. He observed fine strands are thread-like structures. He wondered, what do you know? He wondered, what do you know? Do you know children? These fine thread-like structures, these fine thread-like structures is called rough-edge. Are dietary fibers. These thread-like dietary fibers is called rough-edge or dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are also essential for food. Essential our diet. Free bowel movement in digestive tract. Free bowel movement in our digestive tract. Digestive tract, free bowel movement. Food, free bowel movement in our digestive tract and helps to constipation. It helps to constipation. Dietary fibers, free bowel movement in digestive tract, free bowel movement in digestive tract and helps to constipation. Okay children, these dietary fibers are rough edges include like vegetables, leaf vegetables, sports, tubers. Examples of dietary fibers. Vegetables, fruits, leaf vegetables, tubers and spores. These are all the sources of the dietary fibers or roughage. We included in your diet free bowel movement of digestive tract and helps to constitution to become a good health. Okay children. Next activity 5. Activity 5. We are all discussed, then classified into food items in three types. More fiber, less fiber, and none of the no fiber and no fiber. More fiber, less fiber and no fiber. Okay children, classify the food items in 3 types. First one, more fiber food is called banana, apple, sweet potato, and carrot, beetroot. These are all for fruits like banana, apple. More fiber food. Less fiber food, white rice, white wheat, and less cereals, less quantity of cereals, and cooked vegetables, and without peel potato without skin. No fiber, milk, water, cool drinks. Activity 5. Food items classified in more fiber, less fiber and no fiber. Okay children, some food items fulfill the table and add so many food items included in your table. Okay children. Next, children, it is a good habit. It is a good for eat. We eat with peel fruits. With peel fruits. Discuss. It is good for health. Yes, it is very good for health. Contain with food, peel fruits, vegetables, because peels with contain fruits and vegetables so many food components like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, the large quantity of fiber also. Okay children, these nutrients are contained in with peel fruits and vegetables. So this type of food, it is good for health. Do you understand, children? We must include our diet. We must include our diet so many fibrous food to become very health, good health. Next, to introduce water. Next, introduce the topic water. Water. Children, water is essential in our body. We have discussed last previous class. Water importance, household purposes, agricultural purposes, and industrial purposes. Okay, children. Now let us today water is essential our body. Water is essential in our body. Okay, children. Water. Nalini felt thirsty. Nalini, for example, Nalini felt thirsty. She drank water. She got relief. She got relief. She got double for you. Water is a nutrient or not? She got a double for you. Water is a nutrient or not? Do you know, children? Think. Water is not a nutrient. Water is not a nutrient. Water is component in our blood. In our blood. Water is two component of in our blood. Blood. 90% of the water included in our blood. 90% of the water included in our blood. Okay, children, water is not a nutrient. So, it cannot be component of nutrients. It cannot be component of nutrients. Water is 2/3. It's freely 2/3 of our body weight. Body weight 2/3 of our body weight. Body weight to maximum 2/3% of quantity of levels of water included in our body weight. Water helps to regulate and maintain the temperature. Water regulates and maintains the temperature. Body temperature, to control the body temperature. And water helps to free bowel movement in our digestive tract. Free bowel movement in our digestive tract. Water helps to control the constipation. Water helps to avoid constipation in our health. And water take sufficient of water good for health. Take sufficient of water good for health and regulate the hormones and gastrovascular diseases and digestive free bowel movement and regulate the temperature. It is a good for health. Okay, children, do you know drink water one way of the drinking water, only drinking water, one way to the method to take? No. Some other fruits, vegetables, leaf vegetables, sports, salad include a more quantity of water. more quantity of water they contain food items. Digestive tract. So water is essential for in our body. Okay. For example, cucumber, watermelon, apple, guava, bottle gourd. These are all water sources of fruits and vegetables. Okay, children, in our digestive tract helps in water free bowel movement. Can you test for a small test for you? Small activity. Small activity. Aim to know use of water. What you need? Plastic tube, sponge, water and tub. Okay, children, let's have water is essential for digestive tract. Uses of water. What you need? Take a plastic tube and sponge, piece of sponge, only piece of sponge, and water content tub. Water content. First of all, take a plastic tube and take a sponge and move it in a plastic tube. Move it in a plastic tube. It is very difficulty. Okay. If the piece of and remove the sponge, take sponge, dip it water, and move into the plastic tube, very easily. Okay, children, what have you seen? Wet sponge moves freely movement in our plastic tube. What have you observed? I have observed. We have observed water is free movement in our plastic tube, లేదా in our digestive tract or digestive tract or intestine. It is a narrow tube, just like a intestine. It is a narrow tube, intestine. In this purpose included in digestive tract, small intestine, large intestine. So water is essential for free bowel movement in our nutrients or food nutrients. Okay, children, understand? Good. What is constipation? Constipation, it is a disease for disease. One type of disease. In olden days, this constipation was present in Ayurveda Grantha. And constipation do not free bowel food. That's why our body temperature to become high. Increase of body temperature, headache, stomach pain. So many disease symptoms are observed here. This type of constipation disease, and every person suffering from constipation anytime. So to avoid waste food, to eat only nutritional food. To avoid shop made material like jatikalu, chuppulu. These are all not a sufficient ratio in nutrients. Less sufficient ratio in nutrients. This type of food materials to avoid, and drink plenty of water, and take dietary fiber. Dietary fibers are take roughage food items. We should include in our diet sufficient ratio of fluids like water and other fruits and fibers, good for health, to destroy constipation problem. Okay children, next to introduce the topic bottled water and boiled tap water. What is the best for you? Drink. What is the best? Bottled water or boiled tap water? Boiled tap water is the best, good for health, because boiled tap water including in minerals. Bottled water filter to avoid minerals. Less quantity of minerals or no minerals are present in bottled water. And then after use the bottles after avoid the bottles or bottle covers to do not destroy to cause pollution, soil pollution. Boiled tap water good for health, some more available of minerals. Okay children, everyone take boiled tap water. It is the best and good for health. And balanced diet. Next one, balanced diet. Balanced diet. Okay, Nalini studying 7th class. He felt occasion on the day she felt on assembly. Doctor consumed test for eyes, nails, tongue. Test for eyes, nails and tongue. Doctor advised. Informed to she got a less malnutrition. She got a malnutrition. She advised to take balanced food. She advised to take balanced food. Okay. Balanced food or balanced diet. What is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? A diet contains that all nutrients. A diet contains the all nutrients, that all nutrients required, that all nutrients in required is called balanced diet. A diet contains that all nutrients. A diet contains that all nutrients. All nutrients means food components. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fibers, water. That are all nutrients included. It is required. It is called balanced diet. Balanced diet, it is essential in our growth and development. Essential growth and development and physical activities. Your diet consists of following some physical activities and mental health and good for health and recovery of some diseases also. So these nutrients available intake of food, that is called balanced diet. It is a good for health. What is health? What is health? Health it consists of to do some lot of works. Thinking, listening, playing, observation, research, investigation. These are all works included in our health. So every person health and hygiene, your views and ideas, new views and ideas. Okay children, balanced diet. All nutrients contained required is called balanced diet. Balanced diet, National Nutrition Institute, National NIN, National Institute of Nutrition, located in Hyderabad, in the year 1980, large broad-based program to prepare every person take balanced diet. Every person take balanced food items. Even every food items consists of some valuable quantity of food items. That is a figure my plate for the day. This is consists of plate, vegetables 350 grams, milk 300 grams, fruits and vegetables 250 grams, and fats 27 grams, and calories and nutrients 300 grams. Okay children, these nutritional quantity for my plate for the day. Observe the figure. What you know? Which quantity of food item should we eat? Should we eat high quantity? High quantity of food should we eat vegetables. Low quantity of food should we eat fats. Low quantity of food, low quantity of food item should we eat fats. So my plate for the day introduce how much quantity of food items or nutrients available per a day. Taking in availability per a day. Okay children, balanced diet. Balanced diet, it is very costly. It is very costly. No. It is spend of more money. No. It is very poor. It is very poor. Balanced diet consists of energy giving food. Energy giving food, rice, bread and wheat. Energy giving food. And body building. Body building food. Milk, curd, meat, vegetables, leaf vegetables, fruits. These are all body building food items. And less quantity, oil food. Balanced diet very poor. It consists of energy giving food like rice, bread, wheat, and body building food, milk, curd, meat, vegetables, leaf vegetables, fruits, and dal, and less quantity of oil food. Less quantity of oil food. Okay children. In our balanced diet, take good for health. This type of food we eat. Children, growth and development also. And mentally, physically good for health. This is deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. Disease contains deficiency of nutrients. Disease contains deficiency of nutrients. It is called deficiency diseases. There are main 3 types of deficiency diseases. For example, kwashiorkor deficiency of diseases. Diseases contain deficiency of nutrients is called disease deficiency. These are 3 types, mainly 3 types: kwashiorkor, marasmus and obesity. In our diet, children, less quantity, inadequate quantity of proteins, large time, inadequate quantity of protein. proteins. The causing the diseases called kwashiorkor. And then marasmus, proteins and carbohydrates. Proteins and carbohydrates in take food in children long time, less quantity of proteins and carbohydrates, adequate quantity of carbohydrates and proteins in a large period of time. The children facing some problem, the disease of marasmus and obesity. Wow food. We eat, children, we eat wow food. Wow take oil foods like fats. This is causing the disease called obesity. Obesity. Okay, children. These are all diseases of imbalanced balanced diet. And then observe junk food also noodles, buns, cakes, cool drinks and samosa. These are all examples of junk foods. Junk foods more fats. Junk foods contain more fats and less fibers. More fats and less fibers to destroy the digestive tract. To destroy the digestive tract, causing some diseases like constipation, headache. These are all health problems. So children to avoid junk food. And then health and traditional food. Children, we have recalled sunnundalu and burelu. Sunnundalu and burelu. Sunnundalu and burelu. Sunnundalu, at home, your mother makes a sunnundalu. How much ingredients? Which type of ingredients do we prepare sunnundalu? Good. Sunnundalu, black gram powder. Black gram powder. That's black gram powder consists of proteins. Black gram powder consists of proteins and jaggery consists of iron, minerals, proteins, food component, iron, minerals and ghee. Ghee consists of fats. So food items like proteins, nutrients like proteins, iron, fats. These are all nutrients in these ingredients, availability in these ingredients to prepare sunnundalu. We eat good for health. And then burelu, boiled chana consists of protein, jaggery, iron, and to Purnam prepare black gram powder and rice powder and water. Black gram powder consists of protein, rice powder consists of carbohydrates and including water. These are all ingredients mixed with boiled oil to prepare burelu. It is good for health, including in all nutrients. Okay, children, let's do some homework. Gathering information in